We're answering the search. How to buy shares of Kesko Oyj. Kesko is a Finnish retail group operating grocery, building, and specialty stores listed on CBOE EU under the ticker KESKOA.HE. This is educational content and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy Kesko shares, and I will use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker KESKOA.HE to find the Kesko listing. Select the result that matches Kesko Oyj on CBOE EU to open the stock page. On the stock page, review basic company information, and the recent price chart to confirm it is Kesko Oyj. Check the exchange and ticker details to ensure you have the correct CBOE EU KESKOA.HE share. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, and choose the order type. Then carefully review all details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order will execute when it reopens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.